Hi everyone, I'm Yakuta Karthanawala. In this video, we'll continue with the string functions. Last time we have seen string length function and the introduction of string, that is how to declare an initialization of the string and then string length function. Today we are going to see the remaining of the string functions. So the first one that we are going to see today is string copy function, strcpy function. You can see that all the string functions starts with str. So strcpy is for string copy function. What is string copy function? As the name itself suggests that it copies one string into another string. So how you are going to use a string copy function in our C program is follow the syntax. What is the syntax? Is strcpy in bracket pass two character array. So I passed one array as destination string and the second deststr and the second parameter is source string. It means in this case whatever is the value of the source string that is copied in destination string. So in destination string you will get a copy of source string, that is string copy function. So how you are going to write down the program of string copy? For this again include two files, stdi.h and string.h. For every string function two steps are compulsory. One is declaration and another is initialization. So I am declaring here array. In string copy function will require two character array, or you can say two strings. So one is A and another is B. The size of each is I have given is 20. Now what we'll do is we'll enter some value inside the character array A. How you're going to do is using getAs method. It is initialization of the string. So first printf, enter the value of string A, enter string A, and then use getAs bracket A. So you will get some value inside the string A. Now what we want to do is I want to copy whatever value I have inputted in A, I want to copy it into B. So for that use the string copy function strcpy bracket B comma A. Why B comma A? Because in this case my source string is A and destination string is B. I don't have any value inside B right now. So when I use the string copy function, the value of A would be stored in B string, because our syntax is first you need to mention the destination string and the second parameter should be your source string. So the data of A would be copied into B. Now we want to verify whether I've got the value of A inside B or not. So for that I'll display the value of B this time. So for displaying the value of B, printf string B and then use puts method for displaying the value of B. So puts in bracket B. So whatever value I'll have it in B will be displayed. Which value I have it in B? The value of A. So in A and B will have the same value because of string copy function. So my output would be enter the string A first. I've entered the word hello and this hello would be stored in B. So when I'll display the value of B, I'll get the same word hello. String B is hello. So this was about string copy function. So next is string and copy function. It is very similar to string copy function with some minor difference here. String and copy is also used for copying one string into another string. But in this case, the number of characters that you want to copy will depend on the value of n. So let's understand what is string and copy. So it copies the n characters of one string into another. So you are not going to copy the whole string from one place to another, but in this case we'll limit how many characters you want to copy from one string to another using string and copy function. What is the syntax of string and copy function? Use string strncpy, use strncpy, the string function, and then in bracket we have to pass three parameters. First one is destination string, the second one is source string, and the third would be an integer value. This value n will decide how many characters you want to copy from one string to another. That in this case we are going to take n characters from the source string and copy it into destination string. Let's understand this with an program. So again include two files, header files stdio and string.h, then declare two arrays A and B. So first we'll input some value inside A. So enter string A and use getAs function for inputting the values in A. Now I'm going to use string and copy function. So string and copy B comma A comma 2. It means B is my destination string, A is my source string, and 2 is my value of N. So what this particular line statement will do is, it will take two characters of source string, that is A, and copy it into B. All the characters of A will not be copied into B, but in this case only two characters of A would be copied in B. So if you want to verify your output, display the value of B. So printf string B is put as bracket B. These two lines will display the value of B in a particular format. So the output would be, enter a string A because of the first printf statement. Using getS, I'll input some value inside A, that is I've inputted the word hello here, and then my string N copy will be executed. So in this case, two characters of A, that is the first two characters H and E, will be taken and it will be copied in B. So my result would be string B is HE. If I'll change the value of N from 2 to 3, then three characters of A would be copied. So I'll get the answer as HEL. If I want to copy all the characters, then I'll write down 5 as the value of N, and so on. So you can see that string copy and string N copy, there is minor difference. String copy copies all the characters from one string to another, and string N copies only some definite characters from one string to another. Now the next one is string get function. If you want to concatenate two strings, then we are going to use the string get function. Concatenate means joining of two strings. So if you want to join two strings into one string, then we are going to use this function string get. So what is the syntax of string get function? strcat, in bracket we are going to pass two pair strings. One is string 1 and another is string 2. So what this function is going to do? str, that is string 1, is joined with string 2. Means string 2 is going to attach at the end of the string 1. Let's understand this with an example. I have str1 as hello and I have str2 as world. So I have two strings. I want to join into one word. So what we will do is use string get function, strcat bracket str1 comma str2. So what output I'll get is, in string 1 I have hello. At the end of string 1, the value of string 2 would be attached. So world is attached, so the final output is hello world. Say for example, if I want the reverse output, that is I want world first and then hello, then what we'll do is string cat bracket str2 comma str1. First I am going to, the first parameter or the first array would be str2 and the second parameter would be str1. So in this case, what is the value we have in str2? World. So at the end of world, hello will be attached. So the final output would be world hello. So let's understand again this function also using a program. Again, include two files stdio and string.h. Declare the strings. I'll require two strings. One is A and another is B. So declaration of these two strings are needed here. Then, since I want to join the values of two strings, I'll need some values in A also and I'll need some value in B also. So, we have to initialize A and B both. The first printf statement, enter string A and get s of A. First printf is enter string A. Next line is get s of A. So, I'm initializing A array with some value using get s function. Then again repeat the same, but this time for B array. So enter string B and then get s of B. So I've declared two arrays A and B and I've initialized also using get this method. Now I have some values in A and B. I want to concatenate both of them. So what I'll do is use the function string cat, in bracket A comma B. So after A, B will be attached. Then the final result would be in A string. So if you want to verify, display it. So printf string A is put as A. So if I'll display the value of A, now I'll get the concatenated value. A and B will be attached or joined and the final result I'll get it in A and I'll get that particular result onto the screen. If you will display put as B, then only I'll get the value of B. But if you will display value of A, I'll get the joined string as an output. So my output would be enter string A where I've entered the word hello. Then enter string B, I've entered the word world. And after concatenation, if I want to verify the value, display the value of A, so I'll get string A is hello world. If I want to have world hello as my output, what I'll do is I'll write string cat B comma A. So world hello will joined, and then if I want to verify my output, I'll display the value of B. So put test B. So as per your requirement, you can use the string function. The next is string cat function. It is again very similar to the string cat function with some minor difference. As we had string copy, string and copy, we have string cat and string cat function. So string cat function is used to join n characters of one string with another string. Instead of joining the complete string, what we'll do is we'll take few characters of one string and then join it with the another string. What is the syntax of string cat? String cat. Again, in this bracket, you are going to pass three different values. The first would be a destination string or the string 1. The second would be string 2, which you want to join. And then third will be the value of n. So, n characters of string 2 will be joined in string 1 here. Let's understand this with an example. So I have in string 1 hello, I have in string 2 world. Now I want to take few characters of world and join it with hello. So what I'll do is I'll use string cat function. String cat bracket str1 comma str2 comma 2. It means two characters of world will be taken, that is wo, and it will be joined with the str1, that is hello. The final output I'll get is hello and wo. Only the two characters of world will be taken, right? But if I want, I can do the reverse also. If I do string cat str2 comma str1 comma 2, it means two characters of string 1 will be taken. So what is our string 1? Hello. So the first two characters are he. It will be joined with world. So the output would be world he. You can play around with characters and words and get your respective output. Let's see again the use of string cat function using a small program. So declare the two character strings A and B. Get an input into A and B using getters method. Now I'm using string cat function. So string cat bracket A comma B comma 3. So here three characters of B will be taken and it will be joined with A. So if you want to verify by displaying the value of A. So I've used printf string A is and then put as bracket A. So the value of A will be displayed where it will have the original value of A plus three characters of B. So the final output would be enter string A, that is hello is been inputted in A, then enter string B world. So world is in B and hello is in A. Now I have string cat A comma B comma 3. So three characters of world, that is WOR, will be taken and joined with A. So the final output I'll get is hello WOR with WOR word. Okay, so this was all about string cat function. So this was all for today. We'll see the remaining functions in the next video. Goodbye. Thank you.